Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can delete multiple photos posted on your Facebook page with a single click. Okay, so you can also do the same thing on your phone. That means if you go to your Facebook page and you will see this area that contains the label post and filters manage post. The right of this post label, you will see the manage post. So you have to click it. Now a window will pop up that showing you all posts posted on your page filtered uh, with each month. Okay. Now I'm seeing posted on 2020. If we go to below, we can see posted on 2020 November. Okay. All you have to do is press this select all. Now one thing to note, if post counts exceeds 50, you cannot select everything. You have to select manually because there are, you can see uh, it's about 100 post which is greater than 50. So we have to unselect and we have to select manually because there are posts more than 50 posted on November 2020. But if we go to below and if we going to select another month like October 2020, now we have selected there are only 17 posts and we can go ahead and press next and delete post. Now you may have to manually refresh your page and go to manage post again, and let's go for another month. Now I'm going to select this September 2020. Click next. Instead delete, we can also hide post from our timeline, but I will delete post. Okay, that's how we can delete multiple posts available on a Facebook page. Thank you very much.